Hey everybody! My daughter just went to the food bank and donated her time, volunteered, and they sent her home with stuff. So let's check it out. She's got lamb for kebab meat. That is cool. This is lamb stew meat. And then we've got ground pork. Looks like there's 2 of them in there. Yep, 2 ground pork. And then so it must be 2 lamb. I guess some of this more, like, I guess not chicken, beef, and pork kind of stuff doesn't sell well. I wonder how many people have, like, not eaten lamb. If you've never had lamb, let me know. This is really good. You can slow cook it in the oven. Since it's already cubed into pieces, it doesn't grill very well. But I like to just spread it out in like a broiler pan and just coat it with like sage and garlic and onion and just like slow cook it with foil. And then towards the end I take the foil off, put oil all over it, and then brown it. It's so good. Might have to throw these on top with it. This is heavy. What is this? Yeah, that's heavy. That's a lot of really big. I mean, my hand's not very big, but some good sized, and they don't look like they're like on the verge at all. Usually with food bank stuff's kind of, you want to eat the produce pretty quickly. This looks really good. An avocado ranch chopped salad kit. These are good. I have, I forget what brand it is, but the Caesar's so good with these. I would think of it as like a coleslaw because there's a lot of cabbage. I love it. I like Caesar dressing, but that's just me. Let's see. Could be leaf lettuce. That's not huge, but they look pretty good. We'll probably have to eat that tonight. The coleslaw looks like it'll make it a few days. Oh, there's some more here. So, Italian blend. So there's nothing in there. So this, I would probably make my own dressing for it, or, you know, I might use this. I'm going to start intermittent fasting again, so I might save this for me. It looks like it'll last a few days. I'm trying to see if there's like, oh, September 28th. But it looks good. Today's the 28th. It looks fine. Like it might last. Oh, a pomegranate. That's cool. It feels good. Love the color. That's like one of my favorite colors. And Tic Tacs. What? Hey, I'll take it. Orange Tic Tacs. That's awesome. Let's see. Organic tomato roast red pepper soup. Oh, that looks good. Trader Joe's. It's usually pretty good if it's Trader Joe's. Let's see, a couple peppers. Those are getting close. I might make stuffed peppers with that. Do you guys make stuffed peppers? No, different people put different stuff in them, but I have the ground pork. We could do ground pork and rice. I have lots of rice. Just cut maybe a little bit of that off. Looks good. Celery. I like that for soup, especially chicken soup. I even like cut up the greens. Do you guys do that? I love just putting it all in. Something about celery. I don't like eating it by itself. Like, I'm never gonna put peanut butter and celery and eat that. No way. But I like it in soup. A couple cucumbers. Oh, looks good. Put that in some salad. Pop secret. That'll be probably, we have what we call kiddo date night, where the kids, well, they used to be jealous because we would have a date night on Friday night. And they're like, we need a date night. So we have mama papa date night. Wow. And then we have kiddo date night. Dried cranberries, yum. Actually, I've got a cookie recipe. White chocolate, oatmeal cookies with dried cranberry, and then you do a little bit of orange peel. So good. I don't make them because I will like eat every single one. They're so good. Applesauce, looks good. Some cans of salmon. I like to make salmon cakes out of these. And if you make them really big, just cook them like a crab cake. Just Google crab cake and then use the salmon instead of crab. and make them really big, fry them up, and then put them on a hamburger bun, and then make a sauce out of like blackberry jam and Thai chili sauce. So good. And then green beans, classic. That looks really good. Just a little thing. And she spent, I think, from 9 to 3 doing that, and came home to always give the volunteers a pick of the leftovers. So that's what she brought home. That's pretty cool for 6 hours of work.